Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to access your WordPress dashboard. To begin, simply open your web browser and type your website's address, followed by either /wp-admin or /wp-login. PHP. For example, if your site is example.com, you would go to example.com/wp-admin. Once on the login page, enter your username or email and your password. Then, click the Login button to enter your site's administrative area. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. Sometimes, you might need an alternative way to reach your dashboard. Many hosting providers offer a direct link through their control panel, like cPanel. Look for a WordPress manager or similar tool within your hosting account. Clicking this often logs you in automatically, bypassing the traditional login screen. This method is especially useful if you've forgotten your login details or are managing multiple WordPress installations. It provides a convenient shortcut to your site's backend. Encountering login problems can be frustrating, but there are common solutions. First, double-check your username and password for any errors. Capitalization matters. If that doesn't work, use the Lost Your Password link on the login page to reset it via email. Sometimes, browser issues cause problems, so try clearing your cache and cookies or switch to another browser. If all else fails, your hosting provider's support team can offer further assistance, often resolving issues within minutes. Securing your WordPress dashboard is crucial for protecting your website. Always use strong, unique passwords that are at least 12 characters long, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional security layer, requiring a code from your phone. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to patch any security vulnerabilities. Finally, install a security plugin to limit login attempts, which helps prevent brute force attacks on your administrative area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.